fold it back. If you cannot see the crease, do it back, press it harder until you see a crease. That just helps the airplane, the front of it, be more pointy. What you do is get to put an airplane like this. It's supposed to have 2 points, one right here, one on the next side. And then fold that in half. It should be matching. It doesn't have to be exact matching, but it should be matching. Be like this. This airplane flies like the best. Not the best, but it's in the top 20 that flies the best. This is the, I think, 18th or something. I checked it this morning. I learned how to do it. Now, when you do the airplane, there should be a little gap right here. Yeah, there it is. Right here, the steel top part right here. If you want, you can leave it. It helps it fly a little bit. But if you want, you can cut it off. So it should be like this. And now this is when the scissors comes in. You cut about 1 inch right here. This helps it. If you want, you can leave it like this if you want. But if you want to make it be able to fly up or be able to fly down or straight, more easier, cut about 1 inch, no, about 1/2 inch in and about 1 inch long. Like this. You can't see it. Wait. And bend it down after you do it. Like make a crease. Bend it down and make a crease. Make this more. And bend it down, make a crease. So it should be like that.